So what if I told you that the best anti-aging advice from a top plastic surgeon in Gangnam doesn't involve a single needle or laser? What if the real secret was hiding in plain sight on the shelves of your local drugstore? Well, we're about to find out because we're going to build the perfect anti-aging routine with products that are not only surgeon-approved, but also super affordable.
And get this, our guide is a plastic surgeon right from the heart of Seoul's beauty mecca. And here's the kicker, these are the exact products he uses on himself and tells his patients to buy. Why? Because he's a huge believer that what you do every single day at home is the real game changer.
So let's just walk through his routine, step by step. The whole idea behind it is actually pretty simple, but it's so powerful. Having a consistent daily routine with the right ingredients, well, that's the true foundation for great skin. And it's always going to beat out those expensive one-off treatments in the long run.
Okay, so where do we start? The absolute non-negotiable first step, the perfect cleanse. You have to get this right, you know? It literally sets the stage for everything else you're going to put on your face. It's all about picking the right cleanser for your skin.
So the surgeon has two top picks here, and it all depends on your skin type. If you've got dry or sensitive skin, he says to go for the Astera Bubble Cleanser. It's this really gentle, pH-balanced foam that cleans your skin without that awful, tight, stripped feeling. But if you're on the oily or acne-prone side, the Stridex BHA Cleanser is your best friend. It has salicylic acid, which actually gets deep down into your pores to dissolve all that oil and gunk.
All right, once we're cleansed and prepped, it's time for the really exciting part, the powerhouse serums. This is the treatment step. This is where we bring in the super concentrated active ingredients that are going to do all the heavy lifting for our skin concerns.
First up, let's talk about a total hydration hero, hyaluronic acid. Seriously, think of this stuff as a magnet for moisture. It literally grabs water from the air and pulls it into your skin, holding it there. And that's what gives you that plump, bouncy, super hydrated look.
So the surgeon's #1 pick for this is the Torten Dive-In Serum. And the secret sauce here is that it uses low molecular weight hyaluronic acid. That sounds technical, but all it means is the molecules are teeny tiny, so they can dive deeper into your skin for hydration that really lasts. Plus, it's not sticky or heavy, it's just perfect for thirsty skin.
Now for the big one, the gold standard of anti-aging, retinol. So what is it? It's basically a form of vitamin A that, well, it tells your skin cells to speed up. It encourages them to turn over faster, getting rid of the old, dull ones and bringing the fresh, new ones to the surface. And that's how it helps smooth out fine lines and make your skin feel firmer.
And what does he recommend? The IOP Super Bounce Serum. This is an amazing choice, especially if you're new to retinol because it's a low irritation formula. So you get all the anti-aging benefits without a lot of the harshness. It's actually the #1 selling retinol at Olive Young. So that tells you something. Okay, listen up because this part is incredibly important. If you use retinol, any retinol, you have to follow these rules. No exceptions. 1. Use it only at night because it makes your skin super sensitive to the sun. 2. Start slow, like 1 or 2 times a week at first. Let your skin get used to it. 3. Always follow it up with a moisturizer. And 4. The next morning, you absolutely must wear a high SPF sunscreen. This is non-negotiable.
So which one should you pick? It's pretty straightforward. If your main issue is dryness, that tight, parched feeling, your go-to is the Torten Hyaluronic Acid Serum. But if you're really looking to tackle wrinkles, fine lines, and bring back some bounce, then the IOP Retinol Serum is your weapon of choice.
Okay, so we've cleansed, we've treated, but we're not done yet. Now we have to seal the deal. Step 3 is all about creating a protective shield to lock in all that good stuff we just applied and keep the bad stuff out. And again, the surgeon gives us 2 fantastic options, just for different situations. For your everyday moisturizer, he loves the Astora Ethobarrier 365 cream. It's packed with things your skin barrier is actually made of, ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids to keep it strong. But for those days when your skin is just angry, red, or irritated, the La Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Balm is a total lifesaver. It's much richer, and it's got panthenol to calm everything down and help it heal.
And that brings us to what our expert, and honestly, pretty much every skin expert on the planet will tell you is the single most important, most effective anti-aging product you can ever use. Full stop.
His pick is the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. And what's crucial here is that it's broad spectrum. That means it protects you from UVB rays, the ones that cause sunburns, and from UVA rays, which are the ones that cause aging and wrinkles. Plus, this one just feels great. It's lightweight, not greasy, and gives your skin a nice, natural brightening effect.
So let's put it all together.
Here's what your perfect morning routine looks like. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, pat on your Tardin Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Step 3, lock it in with the Astura Cream. And Step 4, always finish with that La Roche-Posay sunscreen. See? 4 easy steps.
But you know, what about those days when your skin is just freaking out? You wake up with a surprise breakout or just feels extra sensitive and irritated. Well, for that, our surgeon has a little bonus SOS treatment up his sleeve.
And the answer is MediHeal sheet masks. I mean, these things are legendary for a reason. And it's simple. If you're breaking out or feeling oily, you grab the tea tree mask. If your skin is red, angry, and irritated, the Maticacide mask is what you need to calm it down. They're like the perfect emergency rescue for your face.
So after all of these product recommendations, what's the real lesson here? What's the ultimate takeaway? It's not about running out and buying a ton of stuff. It's actually about a much bigger shift in how we think about our skin.
And this right here is the heart of it all. This is the main message from our expert. No fancy clinic procedure can ever replace the power of a good, consistent daily habit. It's those little things you do every single morning and every single night that really, truly make the biggest difference.
In the end, it all just boils down to this one simple idea. Consistency is so much more important than cost. You do not need the most expensive, luxurious products. What you need are good, solid, effective products that you will actually use, day in and day out. That dedication, that's what's going to transform your skin.
So, as we wrap this up, I want you to just take a second and think about your own routine. After hearing all this surgeon-approved advice, what's the one thing you realize might be missing? Is it the right serum, or maybe just being more disciplined with your sunscreen? Whatever it is, adding that one step might be the key to unlocking your best skin ever.